Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to blur background effects on Loom Video. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, to direct your attention to the top right corner of your Loom interface. You'll see a button labeled New Video. Go ahead and click on it to begin the process of creating your new recording. This will open up the recording options and prepare Loom to capture your video. Once the options appear, you'll need to select Record a Video from the available choices. Clicking this option tells Loom that you want to create a standard video recording, as opposed to just screen capture or other recording modes. This is essential because it activates your camera and gives you access to all the visual settings you'll need for background effects. Now, look over to the right side of your screen. You should see an option labeled Effects. Click on it to open up the Effects menu. This is where Loom stores all its visual enhancement features, including background modifications, filters, and other tools designed to improve the appearance of your video. The effects panel gives you creative control over how your recording will look before you even start filming. Within the effects menu, you'll notice several options for customizing your video appearance. Look for the blur option and click on it. This feature is particularly useful if you're recording from a busy or cluttered environment and want to keep the focus on yourself rather than your surroundings. When you activate blur, Loom automatically detects your background and applies a soft blur effect to everything behind you, creating a more professional and distraction-free look for your viewers. With your blur effect now activated, you can navigate back to the main recording interface. Everything is set up exactly how you want it, and your background will appear blurred once you begin recording. At this point, you're ready to start recording your videos with the blur effect applied. Simply hit the record button and begin creating your content with that clean, professional background effect active throughout your entire recording. And that's it, you've successfully set up background blur on your Loom videos, giving your recordings a polished, professional appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.